Dear students, today we will discuss about an interesting poem. So, the name of the poem is No Men Are Foreign. है ना, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है. And No Men Are Foreign, this poem is being written by one of the renewable and popular writer called James Kirkwood. So James Kirkwood has written this poem so called No Men Are Foreign. This poem talks about the reality, the current scenario of our nation and the world. So first and foremost, I will recite this poem for you all line by line, and then I will give you the central idea, the key points of this poem in details. So as I have just right now said, let's read. No men are foreign. Remember, no men are foreign, no countries foreign. Beneath of all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon. Is earth like this, in which we all shall lie? They, too aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvests, by wars long winter stored. Their hands are ours, and in their lives we treat. A labor not different from our own. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strange that can be won by love. In every land is found life that all can recognize and understand. Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispose, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other, it is the human earth that we defile. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no countries strange. Dear students, the Creator has created only one sun. The Creator has created only one moon. The Creator has created only one earth. The Creator has created only one world. Who are you? Who are you to divide? Who are you to separate? Who are you to hate? Who are you to betray? Who are you to make all this nonsense? No Men Are Foreign by James Kirkwood makes us aware once again to be the real human beings. This poem talks about the concept of global brotherhood and sisterhood. The global, the world. We are the people of the world. It is a concept that talks about the brotherhood, the sisterhood, the humanity. What happens? The whole world is one. ऐसा नहीं है जो हम लोग अलग दुनिया में रहते हैं, नहीं, सेम वर्ल्ड. Then why do we hate? Why do we hate? Why do you separate countries between countries? Why do you say, वो foreign है, वो foreigner है, वो stranger है? Why do you say so? You have no right, because we all live in the same world, and it is in one. It's all connected with one another. Therefore, there is nothing like stranger or people like foreign. There is no stranger at all and no foreigners at all. Because we are in the same world. We are in the same world. And this is the division, diversion, lot of things are there. These have been made by the people only, us only. ऐसे नहीं ये creator उसको सब separate करके भेजा नहीं. It's the human beings, they have divided. Okay? There is nothing like stranger and people like foreigner. No foreigners, no strangers. Because we live in the same world. Same दुनिया में हम लोग रहते हैं. All of us have a common feelings of love and life. Foreigners also, they are not foreigners. How can you tell that they are foreigners, they are strangers, they are separated, they are divided? You have life, they also have life. You inhale oxygen, they also inhale oxygen. You exhale carbon dioxide, they also exhale carbon dioxide. You have also two eyes, they have also two eyes. I have also two eyes. We have a life, they also have a life. We get oxygen, they also get oxygen. The light of the same sun, the sunlight that we use, we get the same sunlight also they get. We have the same moon, they also. ऐसा नहीं है उन लोगों के लिए separate moon है, हम लोग के लिए separate moon है, नहीं ऐसे बात नहीं है. Same, in the same earth only we live. ऐसा नहीं है जो दूसरा planet में वो लोग रह रहे हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है. लेकिन क्यों इतना लड़ाई झगड़ा, इतना फाइटिंग क्यों कर रहे हैं हम लोग? यही क्वेश्चन. James Kirkwood reminds us, why do you fight? Why do you quarrel? Why do you hate? They are also your brothers and sisters. We need each other. Each one is important in our life. We are all dependent upon each other. In spite of different nationalities, religion and color. You may be from different religion, I may be from different religion, he may be different religion, she may be different religion. I may be from India, you may be from Pakistan, he could be from USA, he could be from different nations, Canada and all. But what's your problem? Why do you hate people? Why do you tell them that they are foreigners, they are strangers? The color of the skin can be white, my color of the skin is black, so what? Why do you discriminate? We should not discriminate. The poet is telling us we should not discriminate. The word so-called inequality hurts us. We must unite to make everyone's life better. So everyone's life to be better, if we unite ourselves, इसलिए क्या चाहिए हम लोग का? Unity चाहिए, unity. We need the unity. If we are united, then the world will be so beautiful. If we cooperate each other, if we help each other, but हम लोग तो cooperate नहीं करते, help नहीं करते, क्या करते? बोलते रे वो तो दूसरा country से है, वो बदमाश है. He is coming to this one harm us. He is coming to destroy us. Then what do? We start hating and betraying. We hate one another. We betray humanity. और जब हम लोग किसी को hate करते हैं, तो क्या करते हैं हम लोग? We betray. Betray means we reject. We torture. समझ में आ रहा है? We torture. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do we do actually? We do wars, fight. We do fight. And when we fight, what happens? We spoils the purity. जो purity रहता है हम लोग का वो खत्म हो जाता है. The art purity, the purity of the art, the holiness of the art. And remember, this art belongs to all of us. This art is for all. This moon is for all. This sun is for all. This world is for all. This oxygen is for all. Then why do you say that those are foreigners and we are Indians? Those are strangers and we are Indians? We all are connected. We all need each other. We all are dependent upon each other. And it's very important to help each other, to be unite each other, and to be in love and unity with each other. We all are human beings. The common identity we have, no? उन लोगों का खून भी रेड कलर का है, हम लोग का भी खून भी रेड कलर का है. They have also red blood, we have also red blood. ऐसी बात नहीं है जो हम लोग का black blood है, नहीं. We have also red blood inside us that is moving through. They also have the red blood. They also have 2 eyes, 1 mouth. We have also 2 eyes, 1 mouth. They are also human beings. We are also human beings. Then why this discrimination? Therefore, dear students, no men are foreign and no countries are strange. ऐसी कोई देश नहीं है जो foreign हम लोग बोलते हैं strange है ना? And ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. Because we share the common identity, and the common identity is that human beings. Human beings. This is the common identity, and we all are in same world. We all are connected with the same. We enjoy the same sun. We enjoy the same moon, and we enjoy the same earth. Okay. Therefore, in and through this poem, No Men Are Foreign by James Kirkwood, the renewable writer, the poet James Kirkwood reminds us, forget about all this hatredness. Let's unite each other. Let's love each other. Let's help each other. Let's cooperate with each other. Then only we'll be able to establish a beautiful world, a beautiful society amongst this earth. And then only we will be able to be friends with each other. The writer is trying to tell us that let's be friends, let's be cooperative, let's be helpful with each other. Dear students, stay tuned for more updates. The second part of this video I will upload for you all, and I suggest you go through the chapter once. It's a very interesting, a very beautiful poem by James Kirkwood, and if you read, you will get an inspiration in your life to be friendly, to be cooperative with each other. Thank you.